going on YouTube? So today we're gonna do a little mod, and that's gonna be installing the Underglow. It's the kit from LED Glow, and I'm gonna start putting her in once I'm finished eating, but she's gonna be glowing at night. So we got the million color S&D truck kit from LED Glow, and she did come like this. You can see my sticker right there with my info, but I decided to get this one just because it was wireless. I was gonna get the one that has 7 solid colors, but I got the 18 solid colors as well. So this comes with the 246 inch, the 236 inch, and 224 inch LED tubes. 18 solid colors. The LEDs right there. It also has a 12 patterns, 5 sound modes, and 5 speed modes, and they fade out all together. And it has a control box and the wireless remote. But yeah, man, hopefully I'm happy with this kit right here. Cost me about probably 200 bucks around there. But yeah, let's get her open. So we got everything out the box, and this is all it came with it. And here we got the LED tubes. Nice hard acrylic, pretty nice material. These are the connectors, and these will be running to this box right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 tubes in there. This connector will go to the control box right here, right there. And this does have a power and a ground along with a fuse. Connect that to your battery. This plugs in there as well. This is so you can detect the speakers. This is the sound detection for the sound mode. Came with instructions. This is your remote where I'll be controlling my lights. It did come with a 10% discount on my next order. I'll probably be giving that away. Expires September 30, 2020. Came with a catalog, zip ties and screws, brackets, zip ties and screws, and mounting brackets. So right now I'm just testing everything, making sure it's working. As you can see, we got them all connected there. And right here is our control box. We got the ground and the power, and everything's working. I checked all the tubes, and now I'm just messing with it. So I'm not going to show you the full installation video, just because there's so many out there, and plus I have to clean all this dirt, and I'll probably clean the whole truck. I don't really like that, you know, shit's nasty. But yeah, I'm probably going to drill a hole so I can run all those 6 wires going to this distribution right here. And they say to place this inside if you can, because if not, it won't function right if it gets humidity or water and all of that. So we're pretty much done now, and I found a spot where I can mount the distribution control right there, and all the wires are running up here. I had to drill a little hole, well, a big hole here on the bottom of the car so I can throw in those wires. And let me just show you that everything works right now. You can see it's gonna look much better at nighttime. Can't really see it since it's daytime still. So here we have the Underglow. I got the daytime running lights right now, so you can see a little bit better. Let me just turn it up again really quick, and I'm gonna change the color. That's white right there. That's red and green and blue. But yeah, man, she looks nice. I like it. Just different modes, different speeds. Just so many things, so many colors. But yeah, man, hopefully you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace.